Yeah? Hey guys, it's me Nat here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. The reason why we're doing this video is because for the people who don't know how to make slime, but there's going to be two challenges. The first challenge is I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to hit that like button and do the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're done. And the second challenge is we're gonna try to get this to 70 likes and 30 subscribers and a couple views. And now we're gonna go and make the slime. So we already have the glue in here, and what you're gonna need is, so you're gonna need glue, which I already poured in. I got extra just in case. You're gonna need baking soda, pour water and like whatever you have. Oh, sorry. I had Elmer's glue, but it's in the trash right now. This is the glue I'm using, and we're gonna need water in a bowl or something like that. Then you're gonna scoop a little bit of baking soda, which I already did. There's like 2 little scoops, and we're gonna have to have contact solution. It doesn't matter what brand, you just need contact solution. And we're gonna add more glue, okay? Buy like this clear glue anywhere for cheap. I bought mine for like my big one, like that was like maybe like this big, like for $5 or something, and this one was probably like $1, and you could buy it at the Dollar Tree for cheap. Okay, that's enough glue, and now we're gonna pour in some of the water. Don't pour in so much or else it's gonna be nasty and sticky and all that. There we go. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna add some baking soda. Don't add too much if you're not gonna add color. Just if you're not gonna add color, like maybe that much, but I'm gonna add color. I'm gonna mix it till the baking soda is all in there, till it gets that yellowish tint or something. Oh, and here's what it looks like. Okay, and don't let the spoon fall in there. And now we're gonna add some contact solution. The only reason why I added a lot of contact solution is because it forms into slime faster. Okay, we need more baking soda. And the reason why I add baking soda is because it's like a non-stick add, and it makes your slime turn into slime. So does this. It's turning into slime. See how it's like all forming together like that? It's getting... So once it has this like this blue, like whatever color the baking soda is, usually it's white. Once it gets like the weird color that's not clear anymore, that means it's turning into slime. But if it's white glue, just if you want to know when it's ready for slime, just like maybe poke at it. Yeah, mine's really sticky. So we gotta, and And if your hand gets tired, maybe do these stretches and that'll help you. Okay, my slime's ready, but it's just very sticky. You see? It's sticky. But I lost my food coloring, and you don't have to use food coloring to dye your slime. You could just use markers. I'm usually using these blue markers to color my slime because I want it blue. And I'm gonna leave it in there because it might get stuck to the table. You never know. Okay, I'm gonna take out the spoon. Gonna just add dots, okay, guys? Okay, that's enough for this blue. Now we're gonna get like this aqua green one. Kind of looks the same as the other dark one, but it's okay because we're gonna mix it. It's gonna be really pretty. It's gonna be like an emerald blue. But what I do to make my slimes not so sticky is play with it. And if that doesn't work, add more baking soda. Okay, that's enough. What? Oh, and here's what it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. It's blue. This. And make sure to wash your hands good after you do this. And this is a chemical kind of, I guess. So don't add like a lot, because last time I used to add so much baking soda to my slimes that would make my hands itch right here. So,
Wrap it up, Zoe. Wrap it up.
Okay. And here's what it looks like. And that's the end of the video. Bye guys, love you.